Are you looking for the best Chinese drones for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic ATOM 3-axis drone. A lightweight design that feels effortless in the hand and a smooth flying experience that brings confidence from the very first launch. That is what the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone under 249 gram offers to anyone who dreams of capturing moments from a higher view. Its steady movement helps every frame look calm and natural, giving each scene the kind of clarity that makes memories feel alive long after they are captured. People who enjoy traveling often want a companion that never slows them down, and this drone delivers that feeling of freedom. The long-distance capability lets you explore wide-open landscapes without worry, allowing your creativity to wander further than ever. When the sky changes or the wind feels unpredictable, its balanced performance brings reassurance, encouraging you to keep flying and keep discovering. Whether you are new to drones or already familiar with aerial creation, it brings a sense of control that feels intuitive. Every flight becomes an opportunity to save moments that you would never see from the ground. The more you fly, the more you feel the excitement of watching ordinary scenes transform into cinematic stories. This drone is not just a device. It becomes an emotional extension of your vision, giving you the chance to create something unforgettable each time it rises into the air. Number 2. ZLL 600 Pro Max GPS drone. The L600 Pro Max GPS drone brings a feeling of power and calm control that inspires confidence from the very first flight. Its 8K clarity and 3-axis gimbal stability turn distant scenes into vivid stories, allowing every moment in the sky to feel rich and deeply detailed. Anyone who loves capturing beauty from above will sense a new level of excitement as this drone rises, moves, and responds with smooth precision. With its high-definition dual camera working together, every angle feels intentional, giving your memories a lifelike presence. Travelers, creators and hobby flyers often look for something that feels reliable, and this drone builds that trust through steady handling and thoughtful balance. Even when the environment feels unpredictable, its intelligent movement helps you focus on the joy of exploring rather than the fear of losing control. The 5G Wi-Fi connection strengthens the sense of immersion, letting you watch the world from a distance yet still feel close to every detail. The brushless design adds a feeling of quiet strength, making each journey peaceful and enjoyable. As it glides forward, the obstacle avoidance support creates a comforting sense of safety, encouraging longer flights and more adventurous ideas. This quadcopter carries more than a camera. It carries imagination, inviting you to shape breathtaking scenes that remain unforgettable long after the drone returns to your hands. Number 3. Potensic ATOM SE 4K GPS drone. The Potensic ATOM SE single-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone under 249 gram brings a sense of light freedom that invites anyone to explore the sky with confidence. Its gentle balance makes each movement feel natural, helping every flight become a peaceful escape from daily noise. When it rises, it carries a quiet excitement that encourages you to see ordinary places from a fresh angle, turning simple moments into memorable visuals. Travelers and beginners often want something easy to trust, and this drone creates that comfort through smooth control and steady behavior. The clear 4K view captures scenery with richness that feels close to reality, giving every frame a warm emotional depth. Whether you are enjoying an afternoon walk or discovering a new location, it helps you hold on to experiences that usually disappear too quickly. Its long-distance capability adds a sense of adventure, letting you follow winding paths, wide rivers or open fields without feeling limited. The light design brings no burden, making it a companion you can carry anywhere without second thoughts. Each flight delivers a small rush of inspiration, reminding you how exciting the world looks from above. This drone becomes more than a tool. It becomes a way to create your own stories, shaped by your perspective and brought to life through the open sky.